Pro Football Hall of Fame quarterback Jim Kelly, who has been diagnosed with cancer 3 times in the past 5 years, will receive the Jimmy V Perseverance Awards sponsored by Bristol-Myers Squibb at ESPYS in 2018 in July. Kelly, 58, continues to recover from the March surgery to remove oral cancer and rebuild her upper jaw. The former Buffalo Bills star was first operated on to remove the squamous cell carcinoma that was found in the jaw in 2013 and then underwent chemotherapy in 2014 when the cancer returned to her maxillary sinus. The award, named after former North Carolina State men's basketball coach Jim Valvano, has been awarded at ESPYS since 2007. While battling cancer in 1993, Valvano gave an emotional acceptance speech for the Arthur Award. Ashe Courage that included its now iconic words, "Do not give up. Never give up." Kelly announced Monday at the annual golf tournament of his charity that he had been selected for the award and will attend the ceremony with his family.